Matt writes in, I'm using Ninja as a supplement with Becker. I'm feeling overwhelmed with the amount of material. I'm feeling like I don't have enough time to do all of the MCQ for each, and it is stressing me out. I have read another 71 for tips, but I don't know if you would give me any useful advice or what may work the best. Okay, you're using Ninja as a supplement with Becker CPA review. So I would watch all of your Becker lecture videos and take notes. Work all of the questions in their software. And then I would switch over to Ninja for the J, just rewrite it. I would rewrite the Ninja notes. And for your review, I would watch the Ninja Plus videos over your week topics. And I would, in your Ninja MCQ, I would start working the software by topic, starting with your weakest area first and working backwards. And then that's how I would use Ninja and Becker. Now, if this is a retake, and if you feel like you've seen all of the Becker questions, the multiple choice questions, then instead of working all of the Becker questions again, I would work the Ninja questions as your study software. And so that's how I would do it. So yeah, don't feel overwhelmed with the material. I mean, FAR is hard, and it's the hardest exam, and that's okay. And everyone struggles with it, and it's the beast for a reason. But 50% of the people who walk in and pass it or take it, they pass it. So you'll be fine. Just follow. You're using Ninja, so follow the Ninja framework. Use your Ninja study planner. Get through all of the Becker lecture videos before you work any of the questions in the software. And just follow the Ninja framework, and you'll be just fine.